Have you ever wondered how marketers just like me can continue to pay for expensive ads just like this one? Well, this is my PayPal account right here, literally from the last week, and I'm actually gonna refresh this page right here so you know this is not some BS screenshot, that this is actually real, right? Because 99% of people are going to skip this ad and nothing is going to change for them, right? Nothing's gonna change. I could literally let people log into my PayPal directly and see the actual payments and they'd still think that it was a scam, and that's okay because those people are never gonna do anything to improve their lives. But if you are the 1% of people still watching this, then what I'm about to explain to you could change everything for you and make you a ton of money this year. So how can I afford to pay for ads like this again and again and again all day, every day? Well, this is actually an advertisement for a local dentist that I get paid thousands and thousands of dollars to do every single month, and this literally took me less than 10 minutes to set up. And I'm not kidding when I say that anyone anywhere could do this easily. Local businesses have no clue how to run simple ads, but they pay a fortune to people to actually set them up for them, and a complete beginner could learn this stuff in just a few days, because this is not complicated stuff, guys. For an ad to work, only one simple thing has to actually happen. The advertiser has to make more money from the ad than the ad costs to run the ad. It's that simple, right? Because when you pay $1 for an ad and you get $2 back, and you can repeat that again and again, everything changes in your life. Because when you pay $1 for an ad and you get $2 back, and you can repeat it again and again and again, everything changes in your life. And I know that because it happened to me. And it's actually pretty easy to do if you know how, because most people just simply are not willing to learn a new skill, even though they are willing to rot in a cubicle for the rest of their lives. So talk about irony. This right here is actually a video I made on Facebook ads, which is the most ever viewed video about Facebook ads in the world in history, right? It has over 25,000 likes and almost 1.3 million views. And the reason is because I know what I'm talking about. With so many different options out there to start an online business and so much BS out there, how do you actually know what is real and what is a scam? Well, you can't fake 70,000 members in a Facebook ads group, right? You can't fake almost 1,000 members in my paid private student group, or you can't fake almost 315,000 subscribers on YouTube. And most importantly, you can't fake success story after success story like John, who made $11,000 profit in his very first month, or Andrew, who made $21,000 profit in his very first month, or Clint, who took his business from $4,000 per month to $400,000 per month just from this training. And I always tell my students, trust but verify, and I suggest you do the exact same thing, right? Look at the proof. These are real communities, and these are real people inside of these communities that are making this stuff work every single day. Facebook is taking over the world, and you can either swim against the current and get left behind, or you can ride the Facebook advertising wave and make an absolute killing, right? Because there has never been a better time to start a social media marketing agency, because it's only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So if you're interested in learning how you can do this too, even as a complete beginner, and make this work literally as fast as the next couple of days, you need to click the link somewhere on your screen that you see right now and join our completely free training, where we're gonna be discussing how to start a social media marketing agency from scratch, right? Complete beginner. Remember, sometimes the smallest choices in life make the biggest difference. So I can't wait to see you inside of the training.